Hello guys! We're going to Bakken today. We're looking on here again.
I think you could make a better introduction like that. Try.
Again what?
I said your introduction is sucking big time.
Then how should I say it then?
It's like, hello guys, we're going to Bakken, the oldest amusement park in the world.
That's a lie.
That's the truth.
Maybe the oldest in
No,
Themepark.
that's the truth.
Okay, then when was it built?
Before everybody else built one.
Oh, that's a very smart answer.
That's a correct answer.
But what's the year?
What's the year?
Yeah, the year.
Oh, Chinese, the year of the dog, I think.
I might be, but
I got no clue. 400 years plus.
Haha.
Google it.
No, we'll not Google it.
Google
You should
it.
know you're from here.
Yeah, that's why I know it's the oldest in the world.
Whatever.
World.
Whatever. Anyway, we're going to Bakken today. That's at Themepark. And there's a kid at the back. She's going to ride all the rides. Are you excited? Yes. Woohoo! And of course me and Martin, we're just gonna be sitting and watching people there and eating and enjoying.
Eating
right?
candy floss.
Yeah, I actually love
That's what
candy
you gotta
floss.
do.
And then we have to eat it when Elisa is riding, so she will not have any share. So it's all for me. Right, Elisa?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh.
I actually don't think this is sticky.
I like the feeling. Like it's so easy to apply.
Again.
Get to din fa. Lit.
You wanna bring it?
Yeah. Oh, you're so feeling though.
If it used some kind of feeling, I call it.
Handsome.
Oh, that's what you
And also the one I got, what is it called?
Did you?
Yeah. Why you didn't bring it good? There she is. I can't find her. Did you found it? Mas God! Grabe naman yung lalaki, ang ano niya, ang strong. See? Dummy. Pala yung map. It's really so big. And right now where we are, Martin? Where we are? Where are we? Where we are? Which one? Where there?
Upstairs.
Ah, there! So we're here in that area. And then here is the what we can see here. There's of course the rides, restaurants, food. There's bar and pub. There's a lot. But I don't have so much. The Santa Claus will come here. World Santa Claus Congress. That's why there's a lot of Santa Claus. And you can see there a big Christmas tree. Nah. Pabildo ka, Lisa. Ganda. Yes. Woohoo! You'll also eat samdong?
Also eat samdong.
We have to eat it fast so Lisa can have none. You think she will get angry? Ah. It's really becoming so big now. Martin. She cried. She's smiling.